Oh my gosh. It's just like, I feel like I'm in another version of my store, but like in like 40 years. Turn around and just look. Jeez, man, I thought I had stuff. This is the start of my pile of things I'm buying. Luckily, I have pallet system and stuff home with. I shouldn't be in the tuner cassette section. I just like, I come over here because this is the early stuff that like I'm not gonna buy a ton of, but like the receivers are all up there and that's where I'm gonna stock up. So let's get this out of the way. But this CTF 700 is a wicked cassette deck. So super, super cool. Kaiji XR82D. This is a bad, oh yeah, I just watched that monetized thing on Words. A great cassette deck, 8-track. It's a great 8-track deck. If I don't spend all my money on something else, I might get those. Right here we got a Pioneer RT707, and look, there's another one behind it. So this is the amp and receivers with phono inputs aisle. So I think this is gonna be a fun aisle for me. So just looking at the top, we got an Akai. This is not an amp or receiver. This is a Akai 77. This is a very, very nice roto-reel, 7-inch. Technics SA101. Coming down here, we have a Marantz 1060 and a Pioneer SX3700. Going down, we have a Marantz 2120 tuner and the 3250B integrated amp. Sansui 881, Pioneer SA9100. These are really nice amps, a little bit underrated. Underneath we got a Sansui 8080, and this is the SX9000. Look, oh, this is a Sears. Look at that. It's actually branded Sears. That's pretty cool. Over top, you got a Philips, Blackface Philips 7831 up here, and a Pioneer SX636, Pioneer SX700T. These are the really early Pioneers from like the mid-late 60s. I still think it says 950. I can't see that far. Then we have a Pioneer SA7100, Citation 11. Get a Scott 330R. Get the Harman Kardon 330C. We got a Marantz down here, 2285B. Got the SU series Techniques, the 9070. Just like that darker face Techniques. We got all these Marantz monoblocks, the M8500s. That's pretty cool. Now what's going to be happening is I'm going to be like skipping over stuff because I can't say everything that's here. And everybody in the comments is going to be like, oh, you didn't talk about the... I'm sorry, but if I did miss something, make sure to tell me about it in the comments, because I think it's fun. I read them. I read your comments. Tell me what your favorite pieces are out of this, or which ones you have. Harman Kardon 930. That's really cool. Get the Pioneer SX1500. That's one of those early 60 models again. 2238B. Pioneer SX580. Then we get the SX838. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's got a cassette on top. That's an all-in-one. Not my forte. We got the SX6000. Saw the 9000 over here. Where's it at? Right there. That's the big brother. Fisher 232. Toshiba SA735. That's a cool piece. I like the Toshibas. Pioneer SA6500. That's the end of this aisle. Let's check out the next aisle. All right, so now we're in the second aisle. This is the power and preamp aisle. All right, so the first thing I'm actually gonna show you is not one of those. It's a Pioneer TX6700 tuner. I got a nice Nakamichi receiver here. So you don't see that too much. A receiver 3, that kind of goes with like the CD player 3. Going down, we have some Sumos. The Sumo stuff's like, the Sumo amps are wild. Coming down here, you have a Technics SU series SU-V8X. That's probably like early 80s though. You got a Nakamichi up here in the corner, the SR4A, that's a receiver. Oh, you don't see too many of these. This is the Technics SE-A808 amplifier, 2-channel amplifier, and you got a Yamaha M40. Got a Yamaha M70, the Rotel 6-channel amp right there. Carver TMF15CB, these are very nice. A lot of crazy stuff, Just aisles and aisles and aisles and aisles and stacks and turntables and stacks, and there's so much here. I can't show it all to you. I can try. I'm gonna take you through the good stuff. But I mean, it's literally like, Mikey, if you just like show them, it's just all the way down. There's so much stuff. And that's just the hi-fi. Let me take you guys to the records real quick.
So this building, besides the audio equipment, basically is the fact that we buy way too many records to fit in the store. So it stays here until we can handle it.
I heard about your record store though. And I see it across the street, right? The warehouse, and you have a store, but
there's 3 million records in that building, but they're organized, they're priced, they're cleaned, they're alphabetized.
That's unbelievable.
That doesn't happen here.
Right, no, yeah. Oh, this is coal heaven. Oh my gosh. So our old media director Cole loves 45s, and like
this side is 70s, 80s, 90s. The flip side is 50s, 60s. Gosh. It does only represent about 10 to 15% of what I have in storage. So, yeah, if this isn't enough for you.
Okay, take me to the piles.
Oh, forgot already.
I almost did too. So we got a Spec 1. I actually brought with me, I've been restoring, this one can sit upright because it has... Yeah. Oh, here's a citation. You were saying you had some citation
Well, I've sold
stuff.
5 of them. There was a lot of them.
SX550, 952. You get that one. It's a CTF 1000. These have motor issues. A lot of subwoofers and stuff, but we have a realistic SA1000A. That's a pretty cool integrated amp right there. And then we got a couple of the Pioneer Quad QX9900s. Quad aren't the most popular, but some people really enjoy them. What is this? Oh, this is a Toshiba stereo preamp. That's a cool piece. Very nice. You'll never get that knob, but very cool. Oh, maybe I need a new cash register for the store. What do you think? This is the MC2300. We actually did a video on this. This was the amp that Jerry Garcia made famous by using it in the Wall of Sound for the Grateful Dead. So a really, really cool piece. Oh, no. Oh, I totally need one of those. The 901s. One of the pairs. There's another pair over there I saw. Here's another 707. I love 707s. I'll probably have to grab one of those, even though I literally have one down here with me. These are really popular. These are the Infinity Emit speakers.
Yeah,
they always need new mid-range drivers because they always have holes right in the middle of the, well, there is a hole there, but literally like the driver that's there.
Also the woofer is locked for some reason.
Oh yeah.
Nice cases, nice boxes though.
Yeah.
If you need like a certain type of speaker, it's here. So exciting. I never get to do this. Like I feel like this is something that people do in my store a lot, and I never get to experience this, and I'm very excited about it. He just has everything, like from new to vintage. It is all kind of stuff here. So look, oh, we had one of these in the, I'm not gonna move that, it's all gonna fall. This is a beta, professional beta recorder. These must all be vintage. Actually, I'm just gonna take a picture for Duderman right now. Okay. Because he's going to be like, buy it all, and I don't only have room for so much. I love these. These are fun speakers. Paper cones, the white cones, you don't see those very often. Got some Pro equipment down there. Got some DBXs. Vintage Technique sound processor. Little Sony noise adapter. That's a fun piece. Actually, I might grab that. This one here is a Crown DC300. I'd pick it up and show. Oh, not too light. I like the faceplate on the front. This either was a custom one or it's like more of a special early edition. I've never seen that. I know I'm missing all kind of stuff. So I can't wait to hear what everybody says in the comments about what they saw that I surely did not pick up. All right, let's go show the guys what I got.